Needs to be closer.
Well, it has an adjustment probably.
Yeah.
Or I'll have a personal refrigeration device.
Refrigeration. It's just a fan.
Cheap?
Round, yes.
So we gotta go get something.
Not cool air.
Well, it's just the normal air coming through it. So, what can I say?
Better than nothing, though. Yes, slippers is okay. I'm a Filipino, I wear slippers.
It's all about you, sweetie.
Huh?
This is a nice lobby. You want to
No. He said good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Yeah. I'm just confused, please.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
in Japan. It's like in Japan. Salarymen go out to drink after work every night.
Yep.
And when they get home, they just tell their wives that we're working late.
Driver reminds
Yeah, he did remind me. Yeah, too.
So we're almost there. We're gonna go get coffee first, yeah?
Yeah. I need- How's your coffee?
My coffee? I don't have a coffee.
You're right. I have the coffee.
My drink's okay.
Let's go for a walk.
Okay.
That way. Somebody behind you.
We have very yellow arroz caldo.
I know. What's this one called again?
Lugaw. Oh, kwek kwek. Yeah, it's a street food.
Deep fried egg.
Yeah. Well, you...
Hard boiled all the way through or soft boiled?
I think they cook the egg first. I'm not sure if it's hard or soft boiled. Either one. Arroz caldo. Lugaw. Ah, it's okay.
Well, let's try this. Yeah. Last time we were here, years ago, we ate out of plastic bowls.
Yes. They're all to go now. Put that away.
Ate, masarap.
Masarap. Sabi nga masarap daw.
Ang arroz caldo. Ang arroz caldo.
Sabi niya masarap daw yung arroz caldo. Yes, sir. Salamat.
Hey, buddy. I didn't wake him up. nibbles. There's another kitty down over there.
Oh yeah, he's eating a cat.
Let's go see the other kitty.
There's cat food everywhere.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey. What are you doing? Did you finish? You're the star. What are you doing? Hey. Okay. So, what was the best part of your travel experience so far?
Nothing.
Nothing was good. We got it in some parts that were better than others.
I don't usually like that part of the vacation.
That's a long, grinding flight.
I can't think of any. Probably the landing part, because I'm in Philippines now.
Getting the luggage. I'm always happy to see all the luggage.
Oh, yeah. Right. Nothing got lost, that's good. Or stolen, I would say.
That's right.
Best part? Probably the Airbnb. That was nice.
Yeah, the Airbnb's good.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll wrap this vlog up. It's just the travel day vlog, which is 2 days. You come this direction from Oregon to Manila, you jump ahead 2 days. And then when you fly back and you're there the same day. It's amazing. Time travel. So the one question I have remaining, what is time? Is it related to gravity? Is it related to mass? Does time exist in a black hole? If light can't escape a black hole, then maybe time runs backwards in a black hole. The entire past of the universe exists within the black hole, projected onto some kind of holographic plate. But you know, the light that doesn't get trapped by the black hole that goes around it somehow, it must be influenced by the massive gravitational attraction of the black hole. So the light actually goes around the black hole and comes back to the other end. So it's like a mirror. If you were on this side of the black hole at just the right position, you would be able to see a reflection of yourself. Careless Whiskers.
Upload that and you're gonna get.
Oh, I don't care. I don't do vlogs to make money. I make money to do vlogs.